If you're looking to tackle a project like laying a pathway or setting some posts, mixing concrete is an essential skill to master. Hi, I'm Jake and this is how to mix concrete. Let's get into it. First things first, ensure you've got the right type of concrete. Pre-mixed concrete is most common for DIY jobs like setting posts or pouring a slab. These pre-mixed bags are ideal because they come with sand, cement and aggregate included. All you need to do is add water. Concrete is graded by MPa. Normal rapid set is around 15 MPa, whereas 20 to 25 is a standard concrete mix, but you can get bags up to 40 MPa. General purpose concrete is the most versatile type, great for a wide range of tasks, like setting posts, stumps, laying small slabs, or even pathways. If you're looking to do a bit of everything, this is your go-to mix. Next, there's standard rapid set concrete. As the name suggests, this type is perfect if you need your project to set quickly. It's commonly used for tasks like setting fence posts or letterboxes and other non-structural applications where you want the concrete to firm up fast so you can move on with your project. Just remember, it's faster setting, so you'll have less time to work with it. Then there's high strength concrete. This comes in standard setting times and rapid set mix and is perfect for jobs where you need extra durability and strength, such as driveways, paths, small footings or slabs. For jobs like slabs where you need extra working time, it is not recommended to use a rapid set mix. If you're working on a project that needs to withstand more wear and tear, high strength concrete is the way to go. Now that you've selected a type of concrete you're going to use, grab a wheelbarrow and pour out the dry cement mix. For each 20 kilo bag, you'll generally need about 2.5 litres of water. Always double check the instructions on the product as it can vary slightly. Start by creating a well in the middle of your dry mix, then add about 2/3 of your water. With your shovel or mixing hoe, start folding the dry mix into the water. You want to work from the edges into the centre, gradually combining the ingredients. Keep adding small amounts of water until you get a consistency that's thick, smooth and easy to work with, but not too runny. A good guide is to make sure the concrete can hold its shape when you scoop it without falling apart. If it looks too dry, add more water, but do it gradually so you don't overdo it. Once the concrete is well mixed, you're ready to use it. And there you have it, mixing concrete is as simple as that. If you've liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.